Go ahead.
Sure. Thank you, Madam Attorney General. As the Supreme Court did not rule on the underlying constitutionality of the President's Birthright Citizenship order. So what is the plan now? Are you going to try to implement the EO just in states where there isn't a legal?
Yes, so birthright citizenship will be decided in October in the next session by the Supreme Court, unless it comes down in the next few minutes. I guess it could come down. I think they're still deliberating right now on some cases. As you heard, we just got transgender books, which is a huge win. But most likely, that will be decided in October in the next session. However, it indirectly impacts us because, as you correctly pointed out, if there's a birthright citizenship case in Oregon, it will only affect the plaintiff in Oregon, not the entire country. So yes, it's indirectly, but that's pending litigation, and we're waiting on that in the next term.
And how concerned are you that the Supreme Court will come back and determine that the executive order is unconstitutional?
We're very confident in the Supreme Court, but again, it's pending litigation, and that will directly be determined in October, but it indirectly impacts every case in this country, and we're thrilled with their decision today.
Over 100.
Madam Attorney General, thank you for being here to take our questions. A couple questions to the both of you. The EO had a 30-day grace period before it goes into effect. Is there any thought about trying to make it effective immediately within that period of time?
Yeah,
We're going to follow the law. We're going to make those decisions, and we're going to do what's right in
30
the
days.
law.
And then the DOJ didn't ask the justices to rule on the merits of the birthright citizenship ban, just for explanation purposes, why?
Sure, because that's going to come down in October. This was huge because it's indirectly impacted today. As I said, it's case by case. Let me reiterate, of the 35 of the 40 nationwide injunctions filed against this president, against his executive authority as President of the United States, 35 of them came from Maryland, D.C., Massachusetts,
Lewisburg,
California, Washington.
Elsa,
and that's crazy.
and
These
Washington.
5 districts. So yes, it indirectly impacts us. It will be a separate decision in October. Next question.